let's check our learning targets again. It says we're going to use CK or CK to write words. So look on your paper, see if you can find the learning target on your paper. Can you find it?
Yeah.
It says, I will listen carefully to decide when to use CK or CK. And look, you have that same chart on your paper that we've been working with, right?
Yes.
Alright, when we did this last week, when we started this, there was an empty circle right there for you to put a smiley face telling me how you feel about what you know about CK and CK. Well, you already did it because we started this last week, right? So this time you're going to have to draw your own circle. And if you think you really know a lot about this, I want you to draw a smiley face like that. A little bit, like this. Not at all. Like this. I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to get that part done. Yours has got an empty one because you weren't here. So that is just how you can leave it, okay? Alright. Give me thumbs up if you got your smiley face finished. Alright. I'm going to erase mine, but you leave yours on there. Now, just push that paper off to the side for a minute. We're going to practice listening first, and we're going to practice our short vowel sound. So, when I point to an A, what do we do? Apple. Good. What about if I point to an O? Octopus. Good. What about an I? Itch. Good. What about you? And E? Okay, now, what we're going to be doing first is listening if we hear the sound at the beginning or the end. So put your listening ears on. You got them? Turn them on. Turn them up. Okay. Listen first. I'm going to stretch it with my imaginary slinky. Get your imaginary slinkies up. Stretch. The first word is duck. 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 Put your yellow token in the first box if you heard the at the beginning, and the last box if you heard the at the end. Okay, was it at the beginning or the end? End. All right, let's do another one. Take your token off. Set it down at the bottom. Let's stretch out the word cat. Ready? Get your slinkies up. Cat. Cat. Put your token where you hear it, where you hear the sound. Where do you hear the sound? Do you hear it first or last? Put that in the first box then. Did you hear it at the beginning or the end? Beginning. Good. All right. That means you know how to do this part. You know how to listen carefully and hear if it's at the beginning or the end. Why is that important to know? Why is that important to know? Raise your hand. Why do I need to know if I hear it at the beginning or the end? I have to talk nice and loud so the video can hear you. Dylan, why do I need to know if I hear it at the beginning or the end?
So you can know the letter that comes before the others.
Okay. Looking up here at our charts, I like what Dylan said. Who wants to add something to that? Why do we need to know if we hear the sound at the beginning or the end? Why do we need to know, Ava? She said so you can spell the word right. How can I use this chart? How is it important hear the beginning or the end to use this chart? Haley?
Because if you like the end of the front.
You have to know that to use the chart, right? Why?
Because so you can like know that it's CK or.
Did you hear what Haley said? She said if you know if it's at the beginning or the end, you can use the chart to know if it's CK or CK. I really like Dalton's eyes and listening ears right now. Very good. So look up here. It says we use K when I hear K before an E, Hayden, and K before an I at the beginning of a word. Okay, so hand down to now, please. I use C when I hear CA, CO, or CU, the beginning of a word. So when do I use CK? At the beginning or the end? End. We use CK when we hear ack, ek, ick, ok, uck. Those short vowel sounds, okay? So, are you ready to do some writing?
Yes.
All right. Okay, here we go. You've already got your name on your paper, and we already started this. So we're going to go right into stretching some words. Now I'm going to use my real slinky, and I'm going to be looking for people who use their imaginary slinkies really well, so that they will get to use their real slinky. Okay? So, the first word that we're going to do is rock. Ready? Stretch it out.
Rock.
Rock. Put your yellow token where you hear the sound. Put your yellow token where you hear the sound. Do you hear it at the beginning or the end?
End.
Which one of these says we can use it at the end? Everybody tell me.
CK.
So we're going to write rock under the CK. Get ready. We're going to stretch it out again. Don't write yet. We're going to stretch it out again. Are you ready?
Rock. Rock.
Let's count out the sounds. Ready?
Rock. Rock.
Rock. Okay, so what's the first sound we hear?
R.
And what letter makes that sound?
R.
Write the first sound, please. What letter makes that sound? Let's use a lowercase r, not a capital R. And this is how it should look. Your R should fit between the dotted line and the bottom line. Just like that. Check yours. Right there. Good job. That's a nice neat R. Very good. Oh, we want a lowercase r, please. Nice. He fixed his. Does your R fit between the dotted line and the lowercase and the bottom line? Let's fix it. Nice job. All right, let's stretch it out again. Ready? Go. Rock. Rock. Well, you already did the r. So what sound comes next? Do you know the sound and a symbol for that?
O.
Can you write that letter, please? You're doing a really nice job stretching. Make sure your O fits between the dotted line and the bottom line. Nice job. Let's make it fit between the dotted line and the bottom line, please. Good job. All right, stretch it again. Ready? Go.
Rock. Rock.
Count the sounds.
Rock.
Good. So we did r, what's left?
CK.
What sound? all the way up to the top. It's not important right now. Finish what you're supposed to be writing. Point to the sound that you just wrote that says r. Point to it. Point to the one that says ah. Now point to the part that says k. Okay. Alright, we're going to do the next word. Put your pencils down. Get your token at the bottom of your sound boxes. Alright, here we go. The next word is, you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Cone. Ready, go.
Cone.
Cone. Put your yellow token where you hear the k sound. Cone. Where do you hear the k sound? You hear it in the middle? You sure? Cone. I hear it very first sound, don't you? Can you put that in the first sound box? This is the first sound box. Beginning or end?
Beginning.
Alright, so already we have a clue. Is it going to be CK this time?
No.
No, the CK is only used at the end. So it's going to be one of these. Let's stretch it out again. Cone. Cone. Very good. So let's look up here. We use the K when we hear a K and an E together. Daily growth. Or a K and an I. We use a C when we hear a C, A, C, O, C, U. Put your finger on your chart either on the K or the C on which one you think cone is going to use. Which one do you think cone is going to use?
C.
Raise your hand if you know why. Raise your hand if you know why. Avery, why?
Because there's an
That is right. Did you hear what she said?
Yes.
She heard an O beside it, so we know we're going to be writing under the C this time. Put your finger here, so you know we're going to be writing under the C. All right, we're going to stretch cone out again. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, Hayden, nice job getting that slinky up. What color is it?
Red and blue.
Oh, awesome. Okay, here we go. Cone. Cone. Let's count out the sounds. How many blanks will we need for this one? Dylan?
3.
Let's make 3 blanks there under the C. 1, 2, 3. 3 sounds. There you go. What's our first sound going to be? And how are we going to write that?
C.
You can put a C in the first blank. Make sure your C fits between the dotted line and the bottom line. What's the second sound you hear? Oh, be careful because some people said ah. Let's listen to it again. Stretch it out. Oh. So what sound do you hear? Oh. And we know what letter makes that sound. What letter makes that sound?
Oh.
So let's add an O. Make sure your O fits between the dotted line and the bottom line. Very nice. Good. Nice job. Okay, let's stretch it out one more time. Ready? Ready, ready, ready? Ooh, Hayden, nice job. I'm going to get you a slinky in a second.
Okay.
Cone. Cone. What is the last sound you hear?
N.
What sound? And what letter makes that sound?
N.
Let's add the N. Make sure your N fits between the dotted line and the bottom line. also doing a nice job. Thank you.
I know.
Quickly, Homer. All right. Now there's something about this word that makes me a little confused. When I try to blend this back to myself, I go ah, ka, kan, con. But that doesn't sound like the word we stretch, does it?
No.
Anybody have any idea what we need to do to this word to make it say O in the middle?
E.
An E where?
At the end of the word, because if there's no E at the end of the word, then the O will not be O, it will be off.
Right. Good job. Please add an E at the end of that word. Let's add an E. Let's make sure it fits between the dotted line and the bottom line. That's a silent E. Some people have already learned about that and some haven't. That's okay. Silent E makes the O say O in this word. Okay, we're going to do one more. Get your slickies up. Paige, would you like a slinky? Ready? Alright, here we go. The next word we're going to do is keys. You ready? Keys. Keys. Let's count the sounds. Ease. Count them again. Ease. How many sounds?
4.
How many sounds?
3.
Let's count the sounds again. Ease. How many sounds?
3.
3. All right. Put your token in the sound box where you hear the sound. Keys. Keys. Where do you hear it? Keys. Like you drive your car with your keys. 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 Where do you hear it? Beginning or end? What? Thank you. All right, let's look at our chart. It says you can use this at the beginning, and this at the beginning, and this at the end. So what are my choices for this sound? What are my choices? Homer. Which ones can we use at the beginning, Homer? C. And what else? That's right, C and K. So we know it's going to be under one of these. All right, we're going to be listening to see if it sounds like K-E, K-I, or C-A, C-O, C-U. Stretch it out again. Ready, stretch. Keys. Keys. All right, stop and think. Stop and think. See if it sounds like. Turn to your neighbor and tell them which one you think it's going to be.
I think it's K. I think it's I-K. I-K.
Why?
I think it's I-K. I think it's A-K. I think it's A-K.
You hear an E, and so look at the chart. Tell me where do you see the E?
Hey.
Okay, so what do you think it's going to be? 1, 2, 3. What do you think it's going to be?
K.
You're right. If you said K, we're going to be writing under the K. Let's stretch it out again. Ready? Keys. 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 Let's count out the sounds. Ready? Ease. How many sounds? 3. Let's make 3 blanks under the K side. You got your 3 blanks?
Yeah.
All right. One more second. All right. What's the first sound going to be? Alan, how are we going to spell that sound?
K.
So write a K in the first blank. Your K needs to go all the way up to the top.
Okay, I did. Oh, so cute.
What's the next sound you hear?
E.
E. So what do you think we need to write there? E. This is one of those tricky ones. With the E, I want you to write a Y right in the same blank as the E.
Whoa.
The Y is there making the E say E.
I didn't know they did that too.
Mm-hmm.
There's a bossy Y?
Mm-hmm. We'll learn more about that another time.
Now it's cool. I didn't know the bossy. It's cool now.
Turn to talk to your group and tell them the last sound of the word.
S.
What should we write in the last blank?
S.
Write an S in the last blank. Figure S between the dotted line and the bottom line. Now flip your paper over. You're going to do one on your own.
What?
You ready? You're going to do one on your own. You're going to do... Oh, this one's going to be super tricky because it has two k sounds in it. Are you ready, Paige? You ready, Aiden? You're going to have to stretch it. The word is kick. 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 All right, do it on your own on the back. I like the way you do the lights right there. Nice job.
I'll say bullseye if I get everything right.
When you're finished, then you can flip it back over. And on the front, at the bottom, where last time you did your smiley face, make another one beside it. And show me how you feel about it now that we're done. Like you know a lot, like you know some, or like you still don't know very much about CK and CK. Put it in a smiley down there.
I know